Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to turn off double tap to pause or play option on VLC Player. First of all, open your VLC Player and choose the required video to play. Here you can see the three dots on the bottom right corner. Tap on the three dots. Here you can see the control settings on the bottom side. Tap on it. Here you can see the option double tap to play or pause. Tap on the box and turn off the tick mark. Now the double tap to play or pause is turned off. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.